Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. Today I'm cooking sayote with ground beef stir fry. It's very delicious. You need to try, guys. Subscribe, leave comment and share, and don't forget to post the notification bell. First thing to do, I need to peel off the skin of the sayote. As you can see, I have 4 pieces of sayote. Peel it, and it's the same process. Now I cut the both side of the edge and take away the big seeds. And the same process, or you can cut that slanting, like long tiny one, or like it look like red like carrots if you want to, but I need the cube one. So thank you for watching, guys, and to all my co-YouTuber, thank you so much for visiting my channel, and I really appreciate to all my supporters, to all my idol. Good luck to all of us, and I really appreciate to all you. Please support my channel, and don't forget, please don't skip the ads. Since thank you. You know, it's the same process, guys, and subscribe, and don't forget to post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you always update it. So this kind of vegetable, guys, I don't know what do you call in your country, but we call this called sayote. I don't know it in other words, but in the Philippines we call this in sayote, and we grow this in the Philippines. So now we stir fry and put salt, black pepper, and also garlic and salt, the ground beef. So I'm gonna put that little bit of water, let them stir it until the blood is gone, and also see, as you can see, you have to take away the brown bubble because that is the blood. So when you boiling water or whatever you meet, you have to put cold water so the blood is come out. And then now we continue to slice while simmer our ground beef. Slice the onions. So this, guys, is 1/2 onions, a medium size, and also like 6 cloves of small size of fresh garlic. So whatever of you, guys, whatever you want, you can add whatever you want. So this is very simple and very, like, normally we cook this in the province and easy, but right now in the Philippines everything is too expensive. So the garlic, as you can see, guys, this is, I think, is organic garlic because it's too small, you know. So I have no available tomatoes big, so I decided to put the cherries tomato. So now we need to check our ground beef. So as you can see, it's dry now, and the oil is coming out, and I add a little bit of like 1 tablespoon of oil for this, guys, to stir fry our ingredients, So let that simmer until it turn light brown. And now I add like 1 tablespoon of oil and add the sliced onion cubes. Then when your onion is half cooked, then you have to add your fresh garlic slice. And also, when your garlic and onion is half cooked, then you have to add the cherries tomato. And then you have to mix it all. And then you have to add the sayote or vegetable slice. So this kind of vegetable, or we call opo also, is my granddaughter loves it. And also 1 tablespoon of beef stock powder, and also 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So I mix it well so the flavor goes, and also like soy sauce, sprinkle the soy sauce, like soy sauce, or if you have oyster sauce, you can have too. So I decided as soy sauce. So now you have to simmer it until the vegetable is cooked or so. And then I put dried dill leaves, and also black pepper sprinkle in it. And they have like seeds, something dry seeds, chives or something like that. I add also. It's like green leaves dry. And also 1/4 of water to boil this or simmer this vegetable to make it softer also. So the dry seeds, chives or something like that. Dates. Sorry guys, I can't even pronounce. So you have to simmer it until the vegetable is cooked and soup. So by the way, subscribe again, like, share, and please leave comment. And don't forget to post the notifications. So now our food is ready to serve. Normally you eat this with rice. It's up to you, or you eat all like vegetable and ground beef. It's really good. You need to try, guys. Thank you so much for watching to all, and please support my channel, and thank you, and please don't skip the ads. God bless and good luck. Thank you all. See you my next video. Bye. I love you all. Thanks a lot, and God bless.